Hello all and welcome to What's Your Hobby? Today we will learn how to make a macrame square knot. I have already set my workstation. I have already tied 2 strings on the dowel using the Larks knot. So let's begin. So here we have 4 strings and we will use the first and the 4th string to make the knot. Now take the first string and place it over the second and the 3rd string like a number 4. Now take the 4th string from the top, go from the back and pull it out from this loop. Pull both the strings to make the first square knot. We started with the first string and now we will repeat the same with the 4th string. Place the 4th string over like number 4. Take the first string from the back and pull it out from this loop. Pull the strings to secure the knot. Let's see the knot one more time. We start with the first string and then repeat same with the 4th string. The square knot is now ready. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to make a button knot. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby? Watch the next video, Macrame Button Knot.